Hi, it's Liam here from Wigan Autosmart, part of Cox Motor Group, and I've got a lovely vehicle for you again, and we'll get another video of it. It's a 1 litre EcoBoost Fiesta. Now it's a 64 registration, 55,000 miles, 3 owners from new, and it's actually free tax. What else could you want? I'll take you around the car. We'll talk about what's available on it, and what we can do for you. Just moving down to the front, you've got your 15-inch alloy wheels. They're fantastic. They are standard factory fit, so if you're worried about insurance, don't be, because they're not going to be any extra. Taking a move around to the back, you can see it's a very practical car being 5-door. You'll notice the majority of Fiestas are mainly 3-door, so this one's 5, which is just another benefit. We have got the EcoBoost engine, which you're probably wondering, why is it EcoBoost? Well, to give you an idea, your combined MPG is 65.7, so you're not going to beat that on the road. So it's cheap motoring in terms of running costs. As I mentioned, free road tax each year. I'll tell you what, let's take a look inside and just really see how big this is. You can see it there on the camera. And just to let you know, those rear seats there do have ISOFIX fittings, meaning that if you do want to fit a child seat or anything like that in the back, you're more than welcome to. Let's take a quick look just at those back seats. That lovely fabric upholstery just there. We've got airbags in the front seats as well, which is another safety feature on the Fiesta. That's the front cockpit. If you just bear with me a second, we'll jump right inside. You've got electric door mirrors as well, if you need to adjust those. Okay, and as you can see just up there, 56,000 miles. I think I said 55 before, I do apologise. That was from when we first appraised it. Here you've got the head unit. Now the features on there, you've got digital radio, which is a must these days. You've got your CD radio auxiliary, which is your 3.5mm jack that goes in there. You've got your USB. If you need to plug in a sat nav, you do have the 12 volt as well. Down here we've got the climate control. You can turn your settings up just there, turn the temperature, and then finally the modes, and just pop aircon on just there. Got start stop as well, which is again part of the fuel economy, which is why it's so fantastic on this vehicle. And just to give you an idea of the cockpit here, you've got volume controls. We'll shut the door. You've got the lights just down there as well. So yeah, you can really see how practical this car is. Don't miss out on it. It's not been in stock long, and it's certainly not going to be here very long. One thing I didn't mention is the quick clear heated windscreen.